влиза към наказателното поле. Не се реши обаче да стреля, вместо това Набил Махни вкарва своят.
Саломони. Уилям Фонкю използва физиката си, за да съхрани притежанието.
Да. Фонкю. Добър финт от Уилям Фонкю.
Имат домакините в този компонент на футболната игра. Уилям Фонкю. Набил.
I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his hoe vaping the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hilla?
Спорно първо докосване от страна на Кристиан Вачуко. Той няма никакъв шанс в физическия сблъсък срещу Уилям Фонкю, а той по прекрасен начин намери Атанас Кабов. Ето го и подаването на Кабов. Та не бе такава. След хвърлянето на тъча Ренан бе изведен, но Гамаков излезе напред, за да подсигури. Уилям Фонкю. Подаване към Набил Махни, което е точно. Удар сега на Набил Махни, ще попадне ли?
I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riding.
Карл Фихене бе надигран от Уилям Фонкю.
Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to...
Само даваше знак, че ще се надиграва, но реши да комбинира свой съотборник. Уилям Фонкю излезе победител от физическия сблъсък с Викторио Вълков. Подава към наказателно.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All my life I've been battling lies.
Барам. Иван Тилев с технично обръщане. Уилям Фонкю обаче му отнема. Ето за тази агресия в...
Фонкю напредва. Брутален шпагат срещу Фонкю.
Пак достигнаха до стрелкова позиция. Тук на места от камерунския бранител бе ключова. Фонкю действа.
Shook, I'm aligned, didn't chill in my face, blue steel, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots, wake up, I didn't.
Чандъров точно за Върбанов, който играе срещу Сбун. Добра намеса от Фонкю.
Ever see that dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brilla crying on the floor with us. Cause your whole hit him, had a hole in him now.
18 минути преди края на редовното време. Локомотив София и Хебър продължават своето съперничество при резултат 0-0.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Скоростта обаче със сигурност не е едно от тях. Цонев.
Милен Гамаков. Достатъчно солиден опит има Милен Гамаков и като опорен полузащитник. Уилям Функю.
They say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase it? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this.
Огромна част от футболистите не са на своите позиции, трябва да действат с лице към своята врата. Функю успя да се пребори с Джунейт Али. Божидар Пенчев.
Вукович. Продължава да комбинират помежду си играчите на гостите. Николаев към Функю. Ето го центрирането. Габов.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your checkers, I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing